So students, now we are going to see that what is the nature of the magnesium hydroxide. So with the help of this pH paper, is the pH paper, and it is having the pH range, the basic pH range from 8 to 14 and the acidic pH range from 1 to 7. If the pH paper color becomes red, then it will be acidic in nature, and if it is green like this, then it will be neutral in nature. If the color of the pH paper becomes like this 14 blue color or light blue color, then it will be basic in nature. Now I am going to check the nature of the magnesium oxide. Now what I did is, magnesium oxide is dissolved into the water and the magnesium oxide becomes the magnesium hydroxide. Now I will put the paper in it. After putting the pH paper in the magnesium hydroxide or magnesium oxide, then the pH paper is going to change the color. Now this change the color, I have to match it with these colors. Now this is going to match with this color is light blue color, and this light blue color is going to match with the 9. pH range is 9. So now the pH of this is 9, that means it is a slightly basic in nature. So thus we can say that the magnesium oxide or magnesium hydroxide is slightly basic in nature because it has changed the pH paper into blue color, and the blue color represents the basic nature or weakly basic in nature. So magnesium oxide or magnesium, this is magnesium, and magnesium is burned into magnesium oxide, and magnesium oxide is dissolved into the water. It is slightly basic in nature, and this basic nature we are going to use it as an antacid. The person which are having the acidity problem in their stomach, excess of acid is generated in their stomach, and therefore they are using this type of the magnesium hydroxide. This is called as the milk of magnesia, and it is a weak base, and therefore this weak base is not going to harm the stomach, and therefore milk of magnesia is usually used as an antacid. Okay.